Hi Glam fam, I'm Maddie and welcome to my channel. If you have not yet became an official Glam star, all that you have to do is hit that subscribe button in order to become one, and let's go ahead and get right into this video. So a few months back I made a video called Get a Big Booty Natural. Well, now that video has gained 6,726 views, and let me tell you all, it is humanly impossible to reply to every comment. That is why sometimes when you comment under YouTubers' comment sections, there really is no reply because it's hard to get to everyone. And I try to reply to as many people as I can, or at least to the comments that I see, but y'all, some things just get left behind. So today I decided to pop in and make a video answering the frequently asked questions under that video. And if you haven't already seen that video, head over and check it out. I will link it up in the cards. Let's go ahead and let's get started. So one of the first frequently asked questions is, how long has your journey been? I guess pertaining to how long have I been using this mixture, and I have used this mixture for a little bit over a year. You all, my journey has been quite long because another one of the reasons that I was able to gain weight on my backside is also through actually gaining weight, okay? And one of the things that I mentioned previously, but I don't mention all the times when it comes to these videos, is when I gain weight, I typically gain weight on my bottom portion, okay? So I'm not going to typically gain weight in my waist or in my breast. It's typically going to be on my backside and in my hips, my thighs, and in my legs, okay? That's just the way that my genetics are set up. But I've also used this mixture over time to keep my booty plump and to make it a tad bit bigger. But let me tell you all, there are certain things that can plump your buttocks at home, this being one of the mixtures. And if that does not work for you, there's many more that I have posted here on my channel, which I might actually end up making a playlist so that y'all can go and check out all the videos that I've made about getting the booty a lot bigger, okay? But this is just one of many things that I've tried, and with this mixture, because I used this one for the longest, I used it for a little bit over a year. Okay, next question says, love you Maddie, but this seems like a BBL. I'm getting mine March 2021. Let me answer this. Okay, you all, I have never had a BBL. A lot of people have this perception that when somebody's body transforms drastically that they've had a BBL, or when someone's shape is a little bit different than the average human being, that they've had a BBL. And I've addressed this in an array of videos, and once again I'm here to say that I've never had a BBL. I never will have a BBL, and if I did have a BBL, I definitely would have shared the journey here on my channel, okay, because that would have brought me a lot of new supporters and just a lot of people who are interested in the whole BBL journey, okay? So I wouldn't have left y'all hanging with that one. But something else that people tend to just forget all about is the fact that I'm just 18, okay? So I haven't had time to get a BBL even if I wanted it. Your girl just hopped off of the I'm still a minor bench, okay? So I have not had time to think about a BBL, to consider it, to get one if I wanted one, none of that. And I love the way that my body is shaped and curved naturally. I love the way that all the natural treatments that I have done have made my body, and also I work out every single night, so I love the way that that has helped my body as well. So there's no need for a BBL over here, okay? Your girl is sitting right at a natural, okay, a natural 42 inches, and I'm very proud of that. And I've also just taken very good care of my body. So no BBLs over here, and I more than likely never will be getting one. But honey, if I did, y'all can definitely stay tuned for that video series on that, okay? Don't ever get it twisted, all right? I ain't got no reason to lie about anything like that. Let's go ahead and move on to the next question. Now, another frequently asked question is, can we use coconut oil over olive oil? Oil is oil, and what's really stimulating growth in the buttocks during this whole mixture and during you applying it is the fact that you are massaging it on, okay? I know that y'all remember the whole big Nivea hype where the Nivea cream was supposed to make the booty grow, and it is possible with all of these items, okay? I don't know if y'all have noticed, but when you apply apply something frequently, like when you massage a particular area, it could be your breast, it could be your buttocks. When you massage that area frequently, it cannot help but to grow and to expand, okay? And even if it's not growing per se, it's definitely going to sit up a lot higher. That is why we have the technique of massaging, okay? Because it definitely works to make everything look a lot more plumper and a lot more rounder, okay? So it's not really about the oil that you use. You can mix up your own mixture and do it at home and see how that works for you. But this is just a mixture that has worked for me, and I feel like you can use coconut oil or olive oil. I really haven't tried the coconut oil technique, but oil is oil, and it's all in how you massage that particular area. So thank you so much for your question. I'm gonna go ahead and move on to the next one. Do you have a certain diet and do you exercise regularly? My answer to that is yes, I do exercise regularly, which I've also made videos on the particular workouts that I do in order to plump up the buttocks. So if you have not seen those videos, I will definitely link those in the cards for you all as well. Working out is something that is very important to me. I work out each and every single night. I do not miss a day. I don't care how sore I am. I don't care if I don't feel like doing that workout. It's going to get done, because what a lot of people don't realize is working out is another thing that can definitely transform your body, and we're talking about in the long run. Like, I don't want to look good for just now, but I want to look good when I'm well into my 50s, well into my 60s, you know, well into my older years, okay? And I feel like working out is one of the ways to do so. So yes, I do have a workout routine. Like I said, I don't just stick to one thing or the other thing, but I try out an array of different things. I really just started working out within this year, and it has definitely improved my body in a lot of ways. I love working out, y'all. I love working out. Like, I work out so much that I've developed a passion for it, okay? So yes, that is a part of my life and a part of my just taking care of my body routine in general. Someone else asked, have you did an update on this video? And that is what I'm doing now. So I hope that y'all definitely watch this video and that it gives you all a little bit more of insight. Now, another frequently asked question is this the only thing that I've used to grow my butt, or have I used other things? And I've used an array of different things. They are all pretty much here on my channel. I have some more videos that I'm going to drop soon about other things that I did, but obviously I run a YouTube channel. So after I've tried something and I realize that it works, I post it up here and I move on to the next best thing, okay? So yes, I do use an array of different things, and working out and everything that I pretty much mentioned here on my channel. But after I tried these treatments, because y'all, I've tried an array of things that I haven't even posted, and I realized that they work, I'm like, okay, let me put this up for my Glam fam and see how it works for them. And so far I've gotten great feedback from a lot of different things. Some people said that it worked for them, some people said that it didn't. But yes, I have used an array of different things, and if you'd like to learn a little bit more about the products that I've used, then check out some more things here on my channel. If you're trying something that just hasn't worked for you at all and you don't think that it's going to work for you at all, then move on to the next best thing if you feel like it will never work, okay? Because there's an array of things that goes into keeping a body right. You don't just go into the gym and work out your shoulders and expect for everything else to follow, okay? It's a lot of things to it, all right? So definitely check out some more of the videos that I have listed if you'd like to know everything that I've done for my body. So yeah, you all, as with everything, all things take time, and I feel like I've also gotten comments which are no longer there. I don't know if the person deleted them or whatever the case may be, but everything takes time, and I don't sit here and say everything does not work for everybody, because the chances of it working are slim to none. I say that because a lot of people get wrapped up in, I'm gonna grow my booty, and if something doesn't work for them, they get angry, okay? Everything cannot possibly work for everyone, and that is why I always like to give that disclaimer, because a lot of y'all thrive off of other people's experiences thinking that you're going to receive the same results. And all of our bodies are different, and all of our bodies process things differently. That's why a lot of people say, oh well, you shouldn't eat this, and you shouldn't eat on a bad diet, and all this type of stuff. stuff, and those same people will live 70, 80, 90 years. It just all depends on your body. So therefore you can't look at someone else and expect to get those same results. When I come on here and I share something with you all, I'm sharing with you all my results. I'm sharing with you all how it's worked for me, and if you feel like it'll work for you and you want to give it a shot, try it out. If it doesn't, move on to the next best thing, okay? Because I'm constantly working on ways to improve my body, so it will never be one thing or the other, okay? It's always going to be this thing and an array of other things, okay? So if you're watching me, that's why I post so many different types of video about the same specific thing, because I don't want to leave y'all hanging. I want to show my Glam fam everything that I'm using, okay? I want y'all to be up to date. I want y'all to know what's going on and know what I'm doing in order to improve my body, improve my health, improve everything about myself, okay? So yeah, that's that on that. Now I'm going to share with you all some of the good feedback that I received, and obviously, like I said, it's so hard to get to every single comment, but I kind of tried to pick out the key things, okay, that would definitely be helpful in this video. So let me share with you all these comments. Okay, someone said I've been using this for 2 days and my ass, y'all know the bad word, is more plump than before. And like I said, everybody's body is different. There was also some young lady under the video that said it hasn't worked for her yet and she's been using it for 2 months. So like I said, everyone's experience is completely different, and you really cannot look at someone else's body and say, hey, this is gonna work for me, and if it doesn't work for me, I'm just gonna be angry, okay? That's just not how it works. But I thank you so much for your feedback, Serena. I hope that I'm not messing up your name, or Serena. I hope that I'm not. Y'all know that I love y'all anyways. You just a part of the Glam fam. My Glam fam member, okay? Because I don't like getting on here messing up names. So I'm so glad to hear your feedback. And if you have tried out this mixture, you can go back to that video and leave your feedback on it, or you can leave it under this video on whether or not it worked for you or not. Because I like to see an array of different things. I don't delete comments here. I don't try to block out people's opinions, but I leave everything be, because at the end of the day, everyone's opinion is valuable. As long as you ain't being negative and throwing a complete fit. You could say, honey, this ain't work for me, okay? Now, whether or not it'll work for you, I don't know, but this ain't work for me. You can definitely do that. Now, this other young lady said that she used it for 5 days straight and her butt grew. And she said, massage, 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 which is definitely the key parts of this. Massaging is what stimulates growth in both areas, whether it be your breasts, whether it be your buttocks, or whatever area that you're massaging. It definitely takes, you know, great massaging. You have to take the time out of your day to sit there and to be like, okay, I'm gonna sit here and massage my booty, even though I may be feeling a little bit weird. I'm sitting here and I'm doing this and hoping to see results. So I always love hearing feedback, and like I said, leave your comment down below regardless of what it is, because I like for everyone to have their own dialogue of how something worked for them. But anyway, so I wanted to pop in on this video and answer the frequently asked questions. I'm so happy to be able to have a channel where a lot of people are discussing their opinions and leaving comments down below. Y'all, we're almost at 3,000 Glam stars, okay? And I never expected to make it this far on YouTube, because my previous channel that I had that I actually took serious was so stagnant. But for some reason, God just told me to come back to the platform, and ever since then, I've just been growing and glowing. So if you have not yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. I appreciate the support so much. It is always appreciated. Wait a minute before I head out of here, because I almost forgot. But let me share with you all my Glam star of the day. I see you quite frequently under my videos, and that makes me very happy that you find my channel interesting enough to keep coming back. So I want to say thank you. I'm sending my love right back to you. And if you're looking to be featured in one of my upcoming videos, all that you have to do is leave a comment down below. Turn on those post notifications, because when I see that you're first to comment, that boosts your chances of being featured in my next video. And that is it for this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you don't have anything else to comment down below, please comment what you are, and that is a star. Always remember to keep glamming, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.